I don't know what the guys talking about. I wasn't doing anything. Be quiet to hear. I'm going to do a voiceover. Be quiet, okay, Joe? Okay, thanks, Papa. So as usual, I'm going to take my LA Pro Primer in Nude, and I'm going to be putting that right on top of my eyes, well, on my eyebrows, and this is just going to help the colors to pop. I would usually use pencil whenever I'm doing this step. I no longer use pencil for this step. I use this straight, my guy. Straight. I don't use no pencil on my eyebrows anymore, and I have so much pencil, I'm like, screw y'all. I don't need y'all. You know, I'm better off. I'm better off without you. I don't need it right now. Yeah. So and then the thing is now I have to draw the shape that I want, and this, it just elevated my skill a whole different way, bro. Cause I'm like, bitch, look how you draw your eyebrow even now, and my eyebrow can't even look pan jazzy. Look pan jazzy, baby. This is their Money Magnet palette. Bitch, but I have my money. Hey, y'all should know me well enough. Yeah, so these color, just look on the color. But ma, I look on colorness. I wish, Jesus God, I wish the deep green in this palette was not blouse and skirt. Shimmery, jazzy. You have to do another palette, my love, or give me a deep green in a palette, because this eye look, this hues of green, this ombre green eye look, baby, I have to repeat this, but I'm gonna need some depth in it, bro. I'm gonna need like a tri-color look. I love it. Oh, and I'm doing my eyebrows. How I typically do my eyebrows. So right now I'm just clean it up. I'm gonna use one foundation. I always use foundation whenever I'm cleaning up my eyebrows, whenever I'm contouring, and whenever I'm putting on my full foundation. Look on them nice strip of glue, like a landing strip, on top of the middle part of my head top forehead, upon my head and my ear. Look there. Look at there. And then when I go on top, you see the foundation I'm use for my all over face, and that me use for go up on top. You see that? So I squeeze it on my hand, and then use the same brush I'm using for do my eyebrow. That's not my hand now. I'm gonna wipe, mix them. So it's so I'm gonna use it. We take the foundation and like wipe it on the brush, so it get rid of the white. We did it on it before, and that me use for clean up on top. I love how it look when it don't have the. It's so how I used to wear my eyebrows and I used to see the line of white. That was me back then. Now I love when it looks like this. Like you can't tell what's on top. And underneath just has all the drama. As well as I do have hooded eyes. So because I have hooded eyes, that's how I tend to do my eyebrows. I do my eyebrows in a way where my eye makeup stands out. I do my foundation in a way that my eye makeup stands out because I have hooded eyes. I can't get away with half the looks y'all girls can do, bro. I cannot get away with half those looks. But yeah. So this is why I will stay with them. You see me? And it's even in my kit. It's even in my kit. They just don't want to work with me apparently. But hey, shit works. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna stop back. They not post me. No, my love. World bigger than that, my love. Me just back on that sex. Me back on that quietness. And if you ask me, I'm saying I'm don't know it's fufa. But yeah, Sasha and Black Opal, they have the same consistency, but I do recognize that Sasha is a little bit lighter than Black Opal. Now this was years ago. I have not used the new Black Opal stuff recently, within the past couple, let's say 3 years. I've used Black Opal in about 3 years. I've been using Sasha consistent, and that is how I can tell the difference. So maybe if I get one more Black Opal something, I can try it out. So I'm just jelly defecating. Yeah. Okay. Oh no, I'm doing the voiceover. I'm sorry. Let me tell you, I'm in vlog week, right? This is mid vlog week. I'm like, crap, I have to edit this video, have it up, you see me? So I'm in vlog week mode. I'm very sorry, you guys. Oh, if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. If you subscribed already, unsubscribe, refresh, and then resubscribe. That way everything starts over fresh. I'm redoing my channel, you guys. I'm building it and I'm growing my channel. I will not be doing another channel. You're just gonna have to work with what we have here. So oh, you must feel the part. So this is what I do. This is what I can. So little the powder. So this loose the powder black Black Radiance, but I don't remember the name. But it's a Black Radiance press powder, and kind of yellowish like the Sasha Buttercup. Can I say Sasha Buttercup kind of yellow? So the press powder kind of have a yellow thing, but it look more when I put it on, it look more white. It not give me it not give me like the banana yellow. Remember banana police? Remember banana police that brought up the place, my lover. Oh yes, so now for my powder now, I'm going to be using the Sasha powder. Oh, see it here? This is the loose powder I use from Anchor Cosmetics. Anchor Cosmetics is a black-owned or female-owned Jamaican brand. They have eyeshadows as well, but this one I'm using now, they also have, and this one I'm using, this is the loose powder. Can't remember the name of loose powder. Loose powder. For not thyself, let not thy art to be shrivel, loose powder. And then I'm going to go in with the press powder from Sasha Cosmetics now and go all over my face. You want to go again? Yeah. Alright. 1, 2, 3, red light. Let me see you, Jonathan. Blood cleanse. Come, make me beat. Make you beat and make me beat. Yeah, play now, play. Yeah, my play. Yeah, my bad. Alright then. Don't touch it, Jaleel. Are you for say 1, 2, 3, red light? 1, 2, 3, red light. 1, 2, 3, sorry. I'm not playing. Yo, high key, I want to film a video right here because I love how this looks right here. So I just need like a light right here to, because there's a light here, so I need one here to balance. And then yeah, I using a small ring light. I don't really have anything to say except I did this. It's a thingy on Instagram. But I did it on Instagram. I'm trying to see if I can do like Instagram reels. The only thing I know how to do is like use my like videos and pictures over sounds. That's all I know how to do. In terms of like creating like a reel, that's what I'm trying to do now, where I'm a little bit deliberate with my reel creation. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be editing that. That's cute. I want that curl some more. Come on. I should have probably done this on camera, but come do it again. But come do it this morning. I never want to do it again because I always a change. And then I go wash my face to the water did wash it out, so be kind of have to redo it, you know. So I just do it for reels, like when I film the part. The upper side give me a warm time for, you know, to get done, right? So the little part here, I don't know what for the to it. Hey, I saw my it. It has stay. What a journey. Yo, today mama make chicken, rice, and hey, dinner today I got slapper. What I've been eating a lot is lettuce. I don't usually name lettuce. I'm gonna name vegetable. But master blood cleanse the lettuce mama make last week. Mama make like she cook the lettuce and make the lettuce also. But oh, these are Kyra. These are Kyra. I wanted to put the lashes on and show you guys what lashes look like on just like Sosa eye. So these are Kyra. I have not one Kyra in a video whatsoever. See how small it is? Kyra is absolutely fully stocked. It's just a nice light lash row. So whenever you're cutting your lashes, cut from the part that's closest to the nose when you apply it. So you apply it like this. So this part is closest to the nose. So you cut from that side. You don't want to cut off the length out here, see? Because you want the length for movement. You want the length to accentuate, your eyeshadow. So keep the length at all times and cut from the inside, the part that's facing the nose. So yeah, you say 1, 2. Like 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Like 1, 2, 3. So can I count? So I'm going to cut off 1, 2. 1, 2. I'm going to cut off 1. Yeah. And then trim right just so the little piece here. Right. This one. Then we're going to fit it now. And the eyes. Oh, look it. It's just, yeah, let me see if I can fix it no more good. You see it? It's just set on my eye. It's not, it's not set. Let me just rest it on my eye. But it's just a really nice flipping natural lash, bro. This is good for that look. That look where you wear with only your lashes alone and lip gloss, no foundation. Bro, these lashes would eat that look, bro. Without your eye looking too dramatic, because if you're gonna put on Verna for that kind of look, your eyes are gonna be the statement out of that. Absolutely no foundation on your face, because Verna is, yeah, she's a little bit of a drama queen, Verna. So yeah, I'm gonna use ear glue. And I want to put it right on your lash line. Your lash line, that's where your lashes grow from. So put it on your lash line. But you can put it on different parts of your eyes to have different, for different eye shapes. When you want a certain eye look, to have a specific look. So I don't know how to explain, but how you position a lash, yes, it makes the difference. That's it, girl. Good job. So I'm just applying right on my lash line. And then just push it up on my lash line so it stays on. You see what I'm talking? It's such an amazing cool lash. And you can imagine this like with Kyra is gonna be my fave now, but it's so dainty and just a little bit up. Yeah, look at Kyra. I like it. So let's put the other one in. Again, we are going to be cutting off 1. Cut off 1. And then trim the little piece here, so when no lash not depend. There we go. Then I'm gonna apply and apply. And it just moves with your eyes. Yo, when I say moves with your eyes, because the lash is so light, it's not thick, let me say thin for the sake of just explaining it. The shape it lays with, oh yeah, I can't, because there's not enough lash band on the root. You can actually, your lash line can actually breathe, so you can see how the lash itself is sitting on your lash line. That is how I can explain it, because that's exactly what it is. Because of how small the lashes are, I don't have much hair on the base. like with Lindo. Right, so Rochester, right? So Rochester is similar to this, but it's a little bit thicker, and the bands, the lash bands, are closer together at the root. When it's closer together at the root, the lash gives you an automatic lined lash look. But look at the lined lash look. Sorry. Just, let me just get out of here. Let me just. It's so nice. It's so nice. I'm so happy, you guys. I'm happy because it's just been a while since I've been here with my business. And I think I said it in another vlog. It feels as if like there's a start over. There is just like I feel something new, but it feels familiar. This should have happened years ago, it feels like, but now it's happening in its good time. In God's perfect timing, because God's timing has a lot to do with you. You can negate God's perfect timing, but even if or when you negate God's perfect timing, all the things work together for your good. That is why depression cannot be death. That is why if you miss something, people say, oh, maybe it wasn't meant for you. Because the truth is, all things work together for your good. All things work together for your good. My lashes, look guys, remember me to talk about the lash them? I'm gonna say, guys, them so come. I'm so excited. Sorry, I don't know why I keep on trying to cut you up while I'm talking to you. I'm gonna say, guys, I'm so excited, you guys. I can't wait to get the lashes. I'm like, guys, they're not here as yet, but they're going to be here, so you can get your pre-orders. And one girl pre-order. I can't wait to have like a crap ton of lashes, so I can like just giving lashes away. That's my thing. Oh my goodness. One of my friends bought 4 pairs of lashes. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be doing a giveaway for my vlogs. It broke. I'm going to be doing a giveaway for my vlogs, and for those, because she bought them for me to give them away. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway in my vlogs, and I have 4, so it's 1, 2, 3 for 4 days. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway for 4 days, you guys. So thank you, my girl, for purchasing. And she said she's buying them for you guys. So she supported me for you guys. Thank you so much, baby. Yeah, so I'm thinking about how I'm going to do the giveaway. She made specific. She said it's for single moms. And then I was thinking, like, how can I make this, like, make it make sense? I'm like, I'm a single mom. What am I doing? You know what I'm saying? So, and then for my vlogs, I have it kind of themed. Single mom living in Jamaica. And I got that idea. Let me just say it right now with this vlog, honey. I got that idea from Michelle Choi. Hold on, I'm going to go for my laptop. So I can show on this thing. And then, yeah, them watch. I watch different things on YouTube, right? I don't watch the same thing over and over on YouTube. I don't watch gaming stuff. That's the only thing I don't watch. About vlogs, tech stuff, YouTube algorithm stuff, entertainment stuff. Like, I'm just like the regular YouTuber or whatever, just looking for entertainment. But, excuse me, I'm looking for her name because it's 2 of them. One of them starts with M, I think it's Michelle Choi. And then one next to her name starts with K. I think she named Cleon or something. Like, what, the blood cleanse? Why are you going on dashboard? Do you know what I see? Thank you. Michelle Choi. I hope she named Michelle Choi. Choi. See, she has Living Alone Diaries, and she said she was just, and her Living Alone Diaries, they get like views, but her editing is gorgeous, and her videos are not beyond 14 minutes, my love. She not have no 1 hour vlog, no 20 minutes, no, my love, but 2 hours ago. Her vlogs are just, but when you watch them, you're like, that was a really good vlog, and it was just 11 minutes, baby. So Michelle Choi, I know she ain't gonna see this, but Michelle Choi is my absolute motivator for doing my Living Alone Diaries. So I wouldn't say Living Alone Diaries. I would say single mom, because that's more me, see? And then what's your name again? Cleon. God damn it. Cleon. I don't remember her name. I always get it screwed up, bro. But anyway. So my thing is single mom living in Jamaica. I'm trying to have it cut down, the wording a little bit, but that's the whole essence. Like, I am a single mother. I am living in Jamaica. This is my life. And I was thinking, like, it encompasses everything. Like, that is exactly who I am. It's going to be really awkward when you guys actually see what I eat or how I eat. This is all I'm eating for dinner. My hand is really small. It's not a lot of food, but if I get any more, I'm afraid I won't finish it and I'm gonna waste the food. So I'm just shared. I'm gonna make it.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just open up, don't be scared.